Hi everyone, this is Asham. Welcome to my channel, The Discovery Taste. I'll be cooking a ground pork with tomato base, and we will add fresh vegetables and beans. About the meat, you can use pork, beef, or chicken. Please stay with me and let's start cooking. I add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and half kg of ground pork. Keep stirring the pork, and then you need to add half tablespoon of salt, pepper, and anise seed. If meat is half cooked, you may add potato. You may add half cup of water to help steam the potatoes and not to dissolve the nutrients from the pork. If the meat and potato are cooked, you may add other ingredients. Keep stirring, and you may add the tomato sauce and half cup of water. Don't forget to cover the pan time to time to help the vegetables steam and stay the nutrients. If the potato is well cooked, you may add 2 tablespoons of sugar or raisins to enhance the sweetness. You may also add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Our ground pork stir fry are ready. You may add our final ingredients: half cup of green peas, half cup of garbanzo beans, and half cup of pinto beans. In my country, you can eat this with steamed rice, or you can eat this with soft taco. Some they eat this with chapati bread. Yeah, you should try. It tastes the sweetness, the salty part, and the spices. The combination, very unique. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates. Enjoy!